Welcome to Magpie Hub. Let's solve NEET 2022 Chemistry question number 53. This question is from the chapter Stereochemistry, and it deals with chirality and optical isomerism. Let us first look at the concept of chirality. Chirality is like-handedness. Your left hand and right hand are mirror images of each other, but they are non-superimposable. You cannot place one hand exactly on top of the other. This is the essence of chirality. A chiral carbon has 4 different groups attached to it. This creates 2 mirror image forms called enantiomers. Now let us understand the key concepts needed for this question. First, enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. This means they are mirror images, but you cannot overlap them perfectly. Second, in an SN2 reaction, the nucleophile attacks from the backside. This leads to inversion of configuration, also known as Walden inversion. Third, in an SN1 reaction, a planar carbocation intermediate is formed. The nucleophile can attack from both sides equally, giving a 1-to-1 mixture of enantiomers, which is called a racemic mixture. Fourth, a racemic mixture contains equal amounts of the plus and minus enantiomers, since they rotate plane polarized light in opposite directions by equal amounts. The net optical rotation is 0. Now let us read the question. The question asks us to identify the incorrect statement regarding chirality. Let us analyze each option. Option 1 says, the product obtained by SN2 reaction of haloalkane having chirality at the reactive site shows inversion of configuration. This is correct. SN2 reaction proceeds through backside attack, which leads to Walden inversion. The configuration of the product is inverted compared to the substrate. Option 2 says, enantiomers are superimposable mirror images of each other. This is incorrect. This is the answer. Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images, not superimposable. The word superimposable makes this statement wrong. Option 3 says, a racemic mixture shows 0 optical rotation. This is correct. A racemic mixture has equal amounts of plus and minus enantiomers. The rotations cancel out, giving a net rotation of 0 degrees. Option 4 says, SN1 reaction yields a 1-to-1 mixture of both enantiomers. This is also correct. In SN1, the planar carbocation allows nucleophilic attack from both sides equally, producing a racemic or 1-to-1 mixture. Therefore, the correct answer is option 2. Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images, not superimposable. Now here are some important NEET exam tips for this topic. Tip 1. Always remember, enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images. Identical molecules are superimposable. Never confuse these two terms. Tip 2. SN2 gives Walden inversion through backside attack. SN1 gives racemization through a planar carbocation intermediate. Tip 3. A racemic mixture always shows 0 optical rotation. It is optically inactive because the rotations of both enantiomers cancel each other. Tip 4. In NEET, watch out for tricky words like superimposable versus non-superimposable in the answer options. One word can change the entire meaning. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more NEET solutions at Magpie Hub.